So we get asked a lot of questions here at LEA Professional, and one of the ones that comes up a lot is what is the difference between events and faults on the Connect Series amplifiers? So I'm going to show you on my screen here the difference between the two and when you might have an event or a fault recorded, what's going to happen. So first I'm logged into my web UI here. I've got all the amplifiers up on my screen, and you can see here we have this smiley face emoji. So this is for the health status of the amplifier. So when it's smiling like this, it means that there are no issues with the amplifier. There are two other states that this could be in, one for events and one for faults. So first with events, if there is an event active on the amplifier, instead of a smiling face, you're going to have a frowning face. And an event is something important that you need to know is happening with the amplifier, but it's not a misbehavior or some type of protection that's going on. So the most common event is related to load monitoring. So if we go into the amplifier and we take a look at the load monitoring section here, you can see that you can set a low limit and a high limit for the measured impedance on the channel. So if you have this active and the impedance drops below the low limit, or it's measured above the high limit, it will report this as an event. It's nothing going wrong with the amplifier itself, it's just letting you know, hey, this is important, you've set your impedance limits in this range, and it's measuring something outside of this acceptable range. So to look at the event log, we can click on the amp info button here and go to events. So I've got an event recorded here for high load impedance from channel 1. So you can see it reports the timestamp here and the event that actually occurred. So it said there's 41 ohms was a high event. So that kind of covers events. What we've also got is faults. So faults are shown instead of a smiley face, there will be a shouting emoji face on the amplifier. And unlike events, faults are actual misbehaviors on the amplifier. So something is not going to perform as intended. So this may be the amplifier protecting itself to prevent damage from occurring, or something has actually gone wrong with the amplifier. Just like events, you can view faults in a little bit similar way. You just click on the amp info button, go to faults here. I don't have anything recorded right now because my amplifier is behaving like normal. So that's the difference between events and faults. Just to let you know that there's something important you need to know about on the amplifier, whether it's a misbehavior or just something else that's important you need to check out. So have fun checking out your events and faults, setting up your load monitoring, pilot tone, things like that, and enjoy the amplifiers.